In this video, I will give you an overview of the course so that you will have an idea of what you will be learning by the end of this course. Now, since PyMongo is an implementation of Python with MongoDB, so first of all, I'll introduce you to Python. Here, you'll get to know what is Python and the various advantages that Python provides to its users. Then, we'll see the concepts like variables and various kinds of data types that are available in Python in detail with the help of their respective programs. In the second module, I'll introduce you to the concepts such as files and the different types of user inputs. And then we'll see the usage of programming concepts like loops and functions and their implementation through Python programs in the hands-on session. In the next module, I'll show you the implementation of classes and the related concepts such as inheritance, polymorphism, and operator overloading in Python with the help of their respective programs. Now, towards the end of this module, we'll see what are the exceptions. In the next module, I'll introduce you to MongoDB, wherein you'll see the features of MongoDB and how MongoDB stores its data. And finally, I'll introduce you to the Mongo shell, and then we'll see the various data types that are used in MongoDB. In the next module, I'll give you the overview of the basic read-write operations that can be performed in MongoDB, which are known as the CRUD operations, and then we'll see their implementation in the Mongo shell in the hands-on session. And towards the end of this module, I'll tell you the various data modeling techniques that can be applied to design the structure of your data in MongoDB. In the next module, we'll see the operations which are responsible for designing the applications in MongoDB, such as indexing and aggregation. Here, we'll cover the various types of indexes that are available in MongoDB, and we'll see their implementation in the Mongo shell in the hands-on session. Then, we'll see the aggregation operations that implements the MapReduce technique. Now, until this module, we would have covered all the essential parts of Python and MongoDB which are required for learning and implementing the PyMongo. So, in this module, finally, we'll see the integration of Python and MongoDB into PyMongo, and then we'll see some basic operations that can be performed using PyMongo with the help of some programs in the hands-on session. In the next module, I'll show you some common PyMongo and Python patterns, and then we'll see the usage of indexes of MongoDB in PyMongo, and so their implementation with the help of some programs. And also, we will see the various techniques for performing the write operations such as atomic operations, bulk write operations, etc., and hence their implementation in the hands-on session. Now, towards the end of the course, in the final module, I'll embed MongoDB with Python's most widely used web framework, that is Django, and finally I'll show you a web application using Django and MongoDB.